Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Hoboken, New Jersey, and we are doing a paid service for an existing shower. Now, this is my disclaimer to those internet trolls out there. This is not our shower. Understood? We did not install this. So, this is a payable service. A client in Hoboken needed somebody to come out and professionally service the shower, as their glass company does not reply to their emails or contact them back. So here we are. So what happened here is this stationary panel is 1/2 inch. Nice job. U-channel along the top. Kind of nice job. 1/2 inch door. I don't understand the logic of people, these glass guys sometimes. You guys used 1/2 inch glass to accommodate the weight of a door. Then you make the door heavier and totally eliminated the whole reason why you made this a 1/2 inch panel. It's just mind-boggling to me that my fellow glass people just don't follow that logic. And then especially, take a look. So there's an overhead transom. Now, we're going to talk about the sheetrock ceiling in a second. There's an overhead transom here, okay? Love it. It's got the pivot hinges instead of the swivel ones that you'll see on our steam seal. No problem. The problem is that if you did use the swivel steel one, the swivel style one, that would have helped accommodate the weight of this heavy door you guys put in. So what happened here, and sadly it only occurred to me to make this video after I did this repair, this whole door was sagging down. So from the email from the client, I saw that the door was sagging down, and I thought it was going to be one of those typical service calls where we add the shims to our hinges. But instead, the door itself did sag, but this stationary panel sagged as well, because there's no form of mechanical function holding this guy in place, accommodating this door. And again, the whole 1/2 inch door thing really kills me. I mean, you want 1/2 inch door, no problem, but make sure you got clamps or something holding the weight of the door, and then whatever you guys want to do what you got to do. And then, so while I'm at this, sheetrock ceiling. This is a huge mistake, and this is the reason why. So the glass is all the way up to the ceiling. Love it. But this is nothing but a mold trap. I don't care what type of waterproof membrane you got up there, what type of green board. I don't give a crap if it's, waterproof paint made for bathrooms. This is going to happen. I don't care who you are. We should never, ever take the glasswork up to a non-tiled ceiling because of things like this. Now, I don't even know what I can do for the client with this. And any glass guys watching, you see the issue here, right? You see those strip screws? That means somebody's been over here either trying to repair it at one point in time, or the original installer left it sticking down like that with a strip screw. So this could be a contractor special, I don't know. Again, this is Hoboken, not to get all classy about stuff here, but this is a high-end neighborhood, and usually the work quality is very, very good for this neighborhood. But this was just a mistake straight from the butt. And I don't want to sound too pompous here that I'm the best or anything, but this is an obvious issue, how this is mechanically fastened, and plus all the way to the ceiling. I get it. You got a steam seal unit, got it. Tile the ceiling so that this chipping and peeling won't happen. All right, I feel better now that I vented to all of you.
Now I feel better.
And if you guys need one of these the right way, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.